Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard restart on your Lenovo Smart Clock Essential. If you're having issues with it connecting or just any other things where it's malfunctioning and you're not sure what's going on, a lot of times a hard reset will fix everything for you. So it's very easy to do. All you need to do is come in here and you're going to press the volume down button and this clock button, and you're going to hold them, and you're just going to keep holding them. And as you hold them, these buttons will progressively these lights will progressively turn orange, and it will give you an audible warning that you are about to reset your clock and to let go of the buttons if you don't want to do it. And so you just keep holding them until they all become orange, and then it will make like a bloop sound, and your clock will be factory reset to its factory default settings. And because it will be reset to its factory default settings, you will now need to repair it and reconnect it to any Wi-Fi or anything that you had it set to before. Anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.